Hello there, guys. This is Mislav, and today we are going to talk about the cat command. Now, what is the cat command? The cat command is used to view contents of a file. More specifically, the cat command reads one or more of input files and copies them to standard output. Okay? And here is an example of its usage. So let's say that I want to view the contents of this tutorial file. Now what I can do is I can write cat, and as an argument I can write the tutorial file name and press enter, and I actually see a lot of content. And actually this is just the Emacs tutorial, and we are going to cover that later on. But basically what I just want for you to notice is that I got the entire file, that is the contents of the entire file, outputted on my terminal screen. Okay, so if you ever want to see the entire contents of a file, just type in cat and then type in the file name. Okay, now that's what you can do if you want to do that. There's also another command which is probably more useful to view the contents of a file in a much more convenient fashion, and we are going to talk about that command, I think, in the next video. Okay, I'm 99.9% certain that we are going to talk about that command in the next video. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video, like it, tell that it exists to everyone you know, etc., etc., and talk very soon.